Yeah, it did.
All right, good morning, Mr. Mark. What are we doing here?
We are. What are we doing? We are enjoying our men's fishing trip today.
Good job.
Yeah.
For those people who didn't make it, I'm sorry. We don't know.
I'm looking at probably went to the wrong jetty.
I know, right? There you go. This is our deer passer fishing. Have you catch anything yet?
Caught a good time.
There you go. Just
That was
enjoying.
it. This is my first cast.
Oh wow,
So
enjoying. There you go. Jacob, what are we going to expect today?
Camaraderie and love.
Where's the fish? We're here for the fish.
I've fished enough to know you can't expect fish.
There you go.
Dude, that's how it's been saving my life a couple times.
Oh, I'm glad.
I was like, I'm gonna wash it for my guy, and then I never took out my truck. And then it just
Yeah, no worries. I'm glad it came in handy. Obviously, you can have it if you want.
what I do want to do. Glad you mentioned it.
Well, it's like I like it because it's my biggest.
Watch my bait.
Look who's here. We got a first catch. My goodness, nice. It's a catfish, right?
don't ask that guy how much I paid him for this. So.
There you go.
So normally you do it like
Envy people here.
go down like maybe
I'm just gonna keep this